Want to make animations that actually look good? In this video, I'm breaking down the best animation apps you should try, what they offer, and which one fits your style. Number 1. Flipaclip is one of the most well-known animation apps on Android and iOS. It focuses on traditional frame-by-frame animation, where you draw each frame individually, just like classic hand-drawn cartoons. It includes helpful tools like onion skinning, multiple layers, sound import, and a simple, beginner-friendly workspace. It's great for learning how animation works, practicing timing, or creating smooth and fun stickman movements. Over time, though, many features have been moved behind a paywall, and some advanced options are still missing when compared to more professional apps. The premium upgrade, Flipaclip Plus, costs less than $6 per month, but if you plan on using it seriously, the yearly subscription around $30 offers better value and unlocks all features. Number 2. Procreate Dreams is a next-generation animation and motion tool created by the makers of Procreate, designed for iPad users who want precision, control, and creative freedom. The app offers cinematic animation timelines, high-quality brushes, keyframing, onion skins, timeline edits, and typography, all wrapped in a modern, fluid interface that works beautifully with touch and the Apple Pencil, with real-time rendering that keeps your animation smooth even in complex scenes. Procreate Dreams is a one-time purchase priced at $20, with no subscription required. The only limitation is that it's available exclusively for iPad. But if you're an iPad artist looking to bring your drawings to life with smooth, expressive animation, Procreate Dreams is easily one of the best tools you can get. Number 3. Cascadeur 3D is a powerful mobile animation tool designed for creating realistic 3D character movement. It offers physics-based posing, advanced rig controls, AI-assisted motion correction, weight simulation, inertia tracking, and full keyframe control, all working together to help you create smooth, natural-looking animations. With this tool, you can animate both human and creature characters with results that feel surprisingly lifelike. It's more advanced than most mobile apps, so it may take some time to learn, but the quality it delivers makes it worth the effort. The app offers a premium plan priced at around $5 per month, giving you access to enhanced tools and features. If you're aiming for movie-style or game-style 3D animation on a mobile device, Cascadeur 3D is one of the strongest options available. Number 4. Animation Desk is a beautifully designed hand-drawn animation app popular among artists, students, and beginners who want a natural sketching experience. It supports frame-by-frame animation, multiple layers, onion skinning, customizable brushes, and simple playback controls. You can create animations from scratch or import images and videos to build on. The clean and organized layout keeps everything easy to access, letting you focus on drawing instead of navigating through menus. It also includes basic audio support, allowing you to add sound clips and quickly preview timing with your frames. When you're done, you can export your projects in different formats, making sharing fast and simple. The basic version is free, while the full feature set is available through the Animation Desk Pro subscription, which starts at around $4 per month depending on the platform. It's not as advanced as high-end professional tools, but it offers a comfortable and creative space to practice, experiment, and steadily improve your animation skills. Number 5. Rough Animator is a powerful 2D animation app made for artists who want full creative control. It offers unlimited layers, a detailed timeline with adjustable timing, strong drawing tools, audio syncing, and flexible export options. With all of this, you can create complete animation projects from start to finish on your phone, tablet, or desktop. Unlike many apps, Rough Animator uses a one-time purchase instead of a subscription. On Android, it currently costs around $8, and the price on iOS iPadOS is roughly the same. There is a learning curve, but the freedom it gives makes it a favorite among serious animators. The only things to keep in mind are that it's a fully hand-drawn workflow, there's no automatic tweening, and because it's bitmap-based, zooming in too far can affect the quality of your lines. Still, if you want a true animation studio experience on mobile, Rough Animator delivers it better than almost any other app. Number 6. Alight Motion is one of the most popular mobile apps for motion graphics and animation. It gives you full control over every element you add, whether it's text, shapes, images, audio, or even video clips. You can create detailed animations using transitions, effects, color adjustments, camera movements, and many built-in presets that help bring your edits to life. It's especially popular among TikTok and Instagram creators because of how creative and flexible it is. There's a free version available, but it includes basic features and a watermark. For more tools, Alight Motion also offers weekly, monthly, and yearly subscription plans. Number 7. Vector Motion is a modern vector-based animation app designed especially for motion graphics. Instead of drawing frame by frame, you animate using shapes, curves, masks, and smooth path-based motion. This creates clean, sharp animations that scale perfectly at any size, making the app great for logo animations, UI motion, abstract graphics, and other precise design work. It includes keyframing, smooth transitions, easing options, and a full timeline. You can work across multiple scenes, use effects like glow and blur, and control every movement with accuracy. Since the entire workflow is vector-driven, your animations stay crisp no matter the resolution. One major advantage is the pricing. Vector Motion is completely free, with no ads or subscriptions. It may not suit traditional hand-drawn animators, but for clean and professional mobile motion graphics, it's an excellent choice. Number 8. Stick Nodes is built entirely for stickman animation, making it one of the easiest and most enjoyable tools for creating action-packed animated scenes. You can design your own bone-rigged characters, animate limbs with precise control, and add effects like glow, blur, and smear frames to make movements feel more dynamic. Finished animations can be exported as GIFs or MP4 videos, which is great for sharing online. One of its strongest features is the massive community behind it. There are thousands of free stick figure characters, props, weapons, and effects available to download instantly, giving creators endless possibilities. The learning curve is gentle, the tools are simple to understand, and even complete beginners can produce impressive animations quickly. Stick Nodes is free to use, while Stick Nodes Pro unlocks extra features for a small one-time purchase of about $3 to $6, depending on the platform. Number 9. Toontastic 3D is a story-focused animation app originally created by Google, designed to make storytelling easy and fun for all ages. It isn't just about drawing. It's all about bringing characters and ideas to life. You can design your own characters, choose a scene, move the characters around like puppets, and record your voice as the story unfolds. Once you're done, the app automatically turns your performance into a fully animated 3D short film. It also includes built-in music, sound effects, and simple editing tools, making the entire process smooth and beginner-friendly. Best of all, Toontastic 3D is completely free with no subscriptions. Number 10. Animaker Mobile is the mobile version of the well-known web-based animation platform. The app gives you access to animated characters, preset actions, transitions, templates, drag-and-drop tools, text animation options, and sound effects, allowing you to create polished videos without drawing anything manually. Projects can be exported in different resolutions, and the interface is simple enough for beginners while still offering enough flexibility for regular content creators. It offers a free plan with basic features, while premium plans start at around $12 per month depending on the package. So these were some of the best animation apps that you can try right now. Whether you're a beginner looking for something simple or a pro in need of advanced tools, there's something here for everyone. So, which one are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below.